is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2021. Friends, let's see what's in cards for Scorpions for March 2021. Hi Scorpions, let's see what's in cards for you for the month of March 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. Garden and the gate energy is surrounding you. This card is suggesting that you are already in a very comfort zone. You are taken care of, you're protected, you're enjoying the beauty of life, but you want to explore something different. You want to go in a zone which you haven't explored. You want to see something new and enjoy totally something new which you and you want to embrace the world around you. So that is the energy which is a very positive and ambitious energy which is surrounding you. So enjoy this energy, I would say. Coming to your relationship, you can see two of wands in the bright position. Quite a balanced relationship status here. I can see you are holding on to your roots, your relationships, and you are planning for building future relationships and expanding your horizons globally in terms of relationship building. Very positive and a good relationship card. New vision is going to help you to guide and build stronger relationships with the world around, and world is an open place. People are ready to accept your love, warmth and care and the relationship advice and relationship offer. So by relationship, I don't mean a romantic or a love relationship. By relationship, I mean a soul to soul connect, human to human connect, and building a stronger chain of relationships where you are helping and caring and spreading love and life energy with each other. So that kind of energy is very much prevalent here. Go for it, guys. It's a very positive time for building relationships. Coming to your career, I can see Hermit card, but it is in the reverse position. So somewhere it is suggesting be aware of people who are guiding you. There is a possibility that some wrong guidance or misguidance is expected. So just get grounded. You will be able to guide your own self, guide your own intuition. Don't let anybody misguide you on your path. Don't let anybody sway you from the path of your success, growth and collective growth also, because you are not going to grow yourself alone. You're going to take people along with you and grow them to a higher level. Don't be too innocent that people crush you. Okay, so just be very aware, just be very keep your horns active, keep your intuition active. If you feel blocked, try to get aligned to the divine energy. Meditate. That will really help you feel the balance and the grounding that you need for a very big task that you have taken up in the coming time. Coming to your finances, yes, there is a very big opportunity coming to you in terms of financial planning, but it is currently blocked. There has been a delay. There will be a delay in the coming time. So wait for the right time to happen. Things will shape up in time. Transformation is around the corner. So big transformation is expected in your financial growth, and it is going to be towards the positive side. Just wait for the right time for things to shape up. Coming to your health, Emperor is in the upright position. He's very strong, very strongly protecting you, strongly guiding you. Somebody who is very senior in the setup is guiding you, supporting you spiritually, practically, personally, and you are all protected in terms of your spiritual, psychological, emotional, practical, and physical health. So participate, align with him so that he can protect you and give you his shelter and support and strength and network and power. So take care of that. You are looking quite healthy right now. Grounding is very strong. You have to work on it further so that you are strengthened, your self-respect, self-confidence, you yourself are grounded. Only when you are grounded can you help people, can you help others, can you help yourself. So be grounded and keep your roots strong. You are a powerful light worker is a message from the angels. So you are here to help people, spread message of love, care and warmth among people. Try to do that to the optimum level and you will earn karmic benefits. So I really hope this reading helped you guys, Scorpions. So friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page, wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group and multiple other groups so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.